today I'm going to tell you how you can convert an PDF file into a Word file with just simple one click. For this, open Google Chrome. Now search here online to pdf.com. Now this is a website which converts the PDF files into a Word, Excel, PowerPoint or a JPEG files. Now click here on select files. Now select the file you want to convert. Now you can see your file is attached here. Now click here on convert to and select from Word 2007 to 2019. Don't change these things and click on convert. The file is converting. You can see the file is converted into a Word file and is downloading. The file is downloaded. Open it. You can see the PDF file has converted into a Word file. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates.